This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 20: Social Network, Media and Extending Our Identity. In our modern age, social networks and media have become extensions of our identities, allowing us to explore and develop networking skills within a broader social context. Networking can be defined as the act of establishing and maintaining connections, particularly in the technological realm, with varying levels of analysis. The advent of the internet and social media has transformed networking by introducing new components and implications that extend beyond physical interpersonal interactions. This course delves into the sociocultural aspect of networking, examining skills that transcend the face-to-face level and exploring the impact of using technologies on our cognitive processes. Developing strong networking skills is crucial for success within a community and for building meaningful relationships. Approaching networking with a positive mindset, clear goals, and a genuine desire to connect, rather than merely seeking business contacts, can greatly enhance the experience. Networking has been a fundamental aspect of human survival and evolution since ancient times, with hunter-gatherer societies relying on extensive networks of exchange and collaboration. In our modern civilization, intricate networks of cooperation and exchange are essential for the functioning of society, even for those who lead isolated lives. The concept of 6 degrees of separation has been extensively studied within the field of social network analysis, exploring the interconnectedness of individuals and entities. Social networking in the technological context involves expanding business contacts through online connections, following new paradigms and guidelines that have emerged with the rise of the internet and social media platforms. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.